Hi guys, and welcome to this micro tutorial of how to add your videos to Google Classroom. So here I am in Scratch Coders and I want to add an announcement videos so that the kids can be watching some of the basic Scratch tutorials. And what I'm going to do is I have here another tab open that has this playlist, Scratch Basics, which I already have copied over. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be adding an announcement, because I'm not making an assignment this time. I'm giving an announcement because I'm not going to be grading this at all. And this is what I'm going to name as Basic Scratch Skills. And I have two options now. I can either add it as a link, or I can use the YouTube insert video button, click on the URL, and then add this basic Scratch 5 minutes. So this is now ready. I can post it for all kids to see, or I can post, schedule, or save it as a draft. So these are the three options that you have. I'm going to be posting this, so if someone wants, they can be checking their basics of Scratch 5 minutes easy and simple videos. All right, thanks for watching, and next time we'll look at how to upload your videos to YouTube.